Looks like we're down to 4. 9, 79W, 18X, and the 22. Number 9, putting on a show. So. There he is, lined up for another hit. We got the number 9 of Easton Walters from Stanley. The number 18X of Ben Brown from Adams. The 22 American flag of Keegan Smith from Boston. Number 9's making a case for that Mad Dog. Oh, now we got the silence. She is hot, almost out of antifreeze, so time to lay the smack down. Still going. I think that number 9 is really using that walk card. Down to 3. It's going to be interesting if the American flag car dies here, because I don't think those guys can get to each other. Unless you make room. Down to your last 2. He broke his stick, so we're down to 2. Number 9 in the 18X. Ben Brown from Adams. Should line up and give one big hit. He's trying.
He's going.
He is definitely not scared.
Way in the back.
Now we just play the game of cat and mouse. Another big hit with number 9. I used to play a lot of cat and mouse, but I was always the mouse. The 18X still sounds good.
I should probably get the deal.
Number 9, I believe that's a Honda. Those things never die. Toyota, sorry, my bad. Import, you know. They watch enough Fast and the Furious. All right, I got it. Let's see if we can get these guys to line up and get a good hit. See if we can get these guys turned around and get some front action going on. Nobody likes back action, always front, right? Yeah. Oh boy, here we go. There's a good hit by the 18X.
Still going. Oh my God.
He might be stuck in this corner down here now. Trying to get them where they can back up and give her the beans. Let's see if they want to do it. Oh yeah, number 9, tell them to get up, get back there, and let's get a hit. Come on, crowd. I think you wanted to go farther back, but I guess he settles for that. Uh-oh. Sounds like the 18X is getting tired as well.
No, be quiet. People aren't being quiet anymore.
There we go. Yeah.
Remember now, we got a $200 Mad Dog on top of everything else, so. Both cars are pretty hot, not running on everything, so almost not strawberry juice.
Pepperoni pizza. I hate pineapple pizza.
What do you think we should do? Should we go wall to wall and give them one big hit?
Yeah. Yeah.
10. You know, it could be something else. Come on, let's see if we can get over to go concrete block to concrete block, full track. Oh, somebody's, oh no. Number 9's down for the count. Where they're stuck. Maybe Ben will go in there and pull them away from each other. Can we pull them apart? I think we should. What do I know though? Let's pull them apart. I don't know what they're doing today.
Bedford is.
What do we got going on? We got number 9, first place, and number 18X.